Well, the man accused of shooting and killing an off-duty Greensboro police sergeant is scheduled for what is expected to be a high-profile trial in March. Today, that man appeared in court for pretrial motions.
Jamir Foster faces first-degree murder, among other charges, in that shooting, which happened in December of 2023 at the Sheetz store off Sandy Ridge Road in West Greensboro that left Greensboro Police Sergeant Dale Nix dead. Fox 8's Melissa Rademacher in the courtroom today. So, Melissa, what were these proceedings about?
Today, both sides hammered out some dense legal details in what will be a high interest and heavily covered trial. All this prep work sets the stage so that both those sides are ready for a jury come March 3rd. There were more than 40 pretrial motions to get through today, and I was in court to hear most of them. First, here's a look at Jamir Foster inside the courtroom today. He was wearing clothes that his lawyers brought in for him, and he walked in wearing handcuffs, but those handcuffs were taken off for the proceedings. There were a lot of legal matters, some as simple as both sides agreeing to share any new evidence police find between now and the trial. And one issue that took hours of argument. The defense wanted the charges dismissed because they believed investigators on scene didn't do their due diligence by going through Nix's cell phone, and some officers on scene muted their body camera video. However, the judge denied that request and said all that can be argued during the trial. One specific point the defense brought up, they asked that any off-duty police officers coming to observe the trial be dressed in plain clothes, not their uniforms. The judge agreed that too many officers crowding the courtroom could have an influence on the jury, and he said he would assess that situation on the first day of the trial. Foster's defense also asked for copies of Sergeant Nix's personnel file and training records from the Greensboro Police Department. The judge said they could have those files to look at in preparation, but he would need to see something relevant to the shooting or the sergeant's death before bringing that information into the actual trial. Today, Foster didn't speak much. It was the judges and the lawyers who were really hammering out these details. Again, that trial is scheduled for March 3rd. Foster is facing first-degree murder in Nix's death, as well as a robbery with a weapon charge and another string of robbery charges before that. There are two other people charged in connection with Nix's death. Those people do not have a trial date set. In Greensboro, Melissa Rademacher, Fox 8 News.
All right.